Hello everyone. Let's talk about server memory. Upgrading your server's RAM is one of the most impactful things you can do to boost performance. And today we're looking at the NEMIX RAM 256GB DDR4 kit. This kit comes with 464GB sticks running at a speed of 2,933 MHz. It's PC4-23400 rated, operates at a cool 1.2V, and has a CL21 latency. These are 288-pin ECC DIMM registered server memory modules. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing memory solutions for enterprise environments. So this kit is designed for servers and workstations that demand stability and reliability. ECC register memory is crucial for these applications as it detects and corrects memory errors, preventing crashes and data corruption. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory. And while the physical installation is simple, always consult your server's manual for the correct procedure and compatibility information. Make sure your motherboard supports ECC registered memory and the capacity of these modules. The benefits of upgrading to 256GB of RAM are significant, especially if you're running virtual machines, large databases, or other memory-intensive applications. More RAM means your server can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down, leading to improved overall performance and responsiveness. NEMIX RAM stands behind its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. If you're looking for a reliable and high-performance memory upgrade for your server or workstation, the NEMIX RAM 256GB DDR4 kit is definitely worth considering. The combination of high-capacity, ECC-registered functionality, and a lifetime warranty makes it a solid choice for demanding environments.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.